Welcome back to WPM. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a couple finishing touches on the FRS so that we can get it roadworthy again. As you can see here, we started to take off the headlight to put the bracket over it, and then our idea was we were able to sneak it in. As you can see, I have a drift armor installed, so it's not like the original crash beam, which is a lot smaller, and because of it we couldn't really sneak it in, and we didn't want to take off the drift armor if possible, but because we couldn't sneak it in, it looked like we had to, so we ended up pulling just a little bit the drift armor back by loosening the bolts, and then we were able to sneak in the headlight with the new bracket, which wasn't what we wanted to do, but sometimes you just have to work around it. As you can see, this is why we didn't want to remove the drift armor, because now we're just going kind of back and forth trying to make it fit perfect and line up, and like two bolts line up and then the other one doesn't, so we're just going back and forth trying to make it line up square. It also could be from the damage that it took on this last accident, so that doesn't help either. But we finally get it on, and then we put the bumper on, and the front is all done, so then we try to do the rear. And that Gerardo's taking care of that in the back. If anybody's doing their taillights, also on FRS, as you can see, it's just these 4 studs that have the nuts on them. Once you remove them, it's just that one white connector there, and then the whole thing will come out. Make sure it has a gasket on it of some sort. See this one, it'll have it on there. So yeah.
Hopefully the plastic is not in.
It's in.
It's in.
Did you grab your knife?
Yeah, I did. Okay. It
Nice.
doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
I wish it was more smoked like this one. Where's the old one?
Well, you just show right here. Old. Oh.
Yeah.
Cool. Old.
Oh yeah, because you can see inside. Huh? But that has a nice design though, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah, I like it
I like
too.
the sharper edge on it.
The
Are you able to
sharper
see
edge. Where?
see how
Yeah,
comes
that
to a
one's
point,
straight.
and this is just like a straight bar. So this comes like to a sharp point.
Oh, I didn't see that yet.
Kind of like
see it.
this.
Yeah.
But we'll see how it looks like.
I like it.
Looks clean.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see. It'll probably look better once it's on. We're gonna try. Yeah, so these new taillights are V-Land taillights. I just got them on Amazon because they were cheap replacements. I do love the Valentis that are on there. Like I was saying, I like the more that finished look on it. But yeah, they're just really expensive to buy again for this project right now. Yeah, and just a little side note, we had a little kind of friendly bet that me and Peter would finish the whole front before Gerardo did finish the rear taillights. But he forgot that he also did the reverse light. So you'll see him come out for us in a second and tell us that we're too slow.
I forgot to show this part. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Dude, I'm already done with my job, dude.
No, you're not. Where's the reverse light? We wired in already, dude? All shrink drive, all nice?
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
We're replacing all 3 taillights.
Where's the other one? What was the third one, I guess? I don't know. Where is it?
The strip.
What strip?
Right down here. This is the reverse light.
What the fuck is that?
Motorsport shit, dude.
Why? That's not broken.
It is. There's a couple of them that don't light up, so I'll get flagged for that on the braking light inspection. So what you need to do is peel it this way. You can probably still see the colors. I think it's still black and red. Yeah. So just match it with this. Here's the new reverse light.
There's only one wire though.
Hmm?
It's only one wire.
2 wire.
Where's the other one? Or what is this?
2 wires. There's
There's
2 wires right there.
Oh. I didn't know you had to split them. Wait, so how am I supposed to connect these?
We did it at home.
Oh, like I actually have to wire this shit?
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
I thought that this was
Direct replacement?
yeah, I thought this was just like
dude, I
clip
even
on.
brought you your nice little like.
I was wondering what that was for. I
Ooh,
was
right
like,
here, there. Find the crimp that fits. Put a little heat shrink over it. Put this. You know, make it look nice, man. You got it, dude?
well, I can't.
Trusting you.
I can't record.
And here we have head out trying to make the whole little harness look nice in the back. So he's crimping it and then sealing it and then putting shrink wrap over it to make sure it all looks just nice and clean back there. Because it is somewhat exposed, it just kind of wraps around that rear drift armor and then just taped onto the drift armor itself for that reverse light, which you'll see the final install in the end. A little funny thing before we turned the car on and let you guys see the lights, we had put the taillights in the way they came wired, with the yellow wire to the other yellow wire and the green wire to the other green wire, which, you know, most of us would assume that's the correct way of wiring it. And when we tested the lights, the rear tail lights would turn on the turn signal lights, and then the turn signals would turn on the tail lights. So we were like very confused when we opened it back up, and we found that those connectors were swappable. So we swapped the yellow wire to the green wire and the green wire to the yellow wire on the other ends, and it ended up making it work right. So it's kind of weird that it was not the right color going to the right color, but it ended up working, and you'll see the final lights at the end.